Okay, we're just going to get some candid shots of everybody. This is Luke sitting up on the couch, just kind of chilling, doing what he does. This is Molly wandering around looking for something to eat and snack on. There goes Winston. And like I said, Winston is he's very, very frisky. He likes to get around. He's everybody's buddy. Hey, sweetie. He's everybody's buddy and everybody's friend. There's Luke over there. And Molly. And this is Isabella. Hey, Izzy. Izzy. Hey, Izzy. Want a cookie? Cookie? Yeah, that's a good girl. Everybody want a cookie? Hey, Winston. Want a cookie? Hey, Luke. Hey, buddy, buddy. Hey, Luke. What you doing, sweetie? Huh? What you doing, sweetie pie? Hey, Winston. Hey, buddy, buddy. What you doing? Yeah, that's a pretty boy. Pretty boy. Hey, Izzy. Hey, Winston. You turn on the TV? Hey, Molly. Molly Wally. Want a cookie? Yeah. Want a cookie? Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. You want a cookie? Hey, guys. Hello. Hey, Luke. Checking things out. That's a sweetie. Yes, sir. It's a sweetie boy.